Struggling to find where to authorize FreeDNS in Namecheap? Here is exactly where to click, step by step. We will go from your Namecheap account page to the domain list, then enable FreeDNS in just a few clicks. All right, let us start right at the beginning. Head over to the Namecheap homepage. This is where you usually buy domains or check your account. But we are not here to shop. We are here to get into your account settings. So go ahead and click on the Account button. It is usually up in the top right corner of the page. This is your main hub for everything related to your account. And now here's the thing about Namecheap. Their dashboard can change a bit depending on what you were looking at, but these steps stay consistent. Once you are in your account, look for the Domain List option. Go ahead and click on that. This is the page that shows you every single domain you own. If you have several domains, this is a good place to double-check that you are working on the right one. Now, you will see your domain names listed out. But the option you need isn't sitting right there on the surface. Look for the button or link that says Products. Click on that. This expands the view to show all the product settings tied to that specific domain name. This is where the magic starts happening. So now your domain should have a few options underneath it. You will see things like email, host records, and so on. But right now, we are looking for one specific thing. Look for a section that is highlighted or marked in a way that stands out. It might be a thin bar or a colored line. Go ahead and click on that highlighted area. This will reveal some hidden settings that Namecheap keeps tucked away. And bam, right there, you will see it. An option that says Authorize FreeDNS. Click on that. This confirms that you want Namecheap to allow external DNS services, like FreeDNS, to manage your domain records. This is the exact spot that trips most people up because it is so well hidden. But once you click it, you are basically giving FreeDNS permission to take over. Now that we have enabled it, let us move on to setting up the details. First up, click on Email. This is for setting up email forwarding. If you want email sent to your domain to be forwarded to another email address, this is where you configure that. It is a nice, simple step. After that, click on Host Records. This is the main event. This is where you will actually add the DNS records that FreeDNS needs to point your domain to your services. Everything from your website to any subdomains gets managed here. Finally, once you have entered all of your host records, look for the button that says Save Changes. Click on that. Do not forget this step. I have absolutely done this before, where I make all the changes and close the tab, only to realize I never saved it. So give it a click and wait for the confirmation message. And that is it. From confused about where to authorize FreeDNS to having it fully enabled in just a couple of minutes. You have walked through the exact same dashboard I use, clicked the same buttons, and made it happen. That feeling of finally solving a confusing menu is a great one. Enjoy having your domains all set up and working exactly how you need them.